Greetings from Mithi. Welcome to a series of self-learning videos on understanding and using Ideolve. In this video, let us see how to secure the access to your Ideolve domain. To log on to an Ideolve account, enter the URL for the Ideolve domain in your favorite browser. In this example, the URL for the Ideolve domain is parallel-learning.ideolve.com. Log on to the portal using administrator account postmaster, which has the rights to manage the Ideolve domain. On successful login, the Ideolve application interface will be displayed. As an administrator of the domain, you can manage the domain using the admin panel. To access the admin panel, click the user panel and select the admin panel icon to launch the application. First, let's understand the password policies and see how to secure your Ideolve domain by enforcing security policies such as password expiry, complexity, and history. The password expiry can be set for individual users on the domain. From the left pane, choose domain and select the required user. In this case, let's select Amit Kumar. Click on the password drop-down. Here you can see the settings related to password. To enable the password expiry for the user, turn this setting on. The number of days after which the password will automatically expire is set here. Users for whom password expiry has been set will receive regular email alerts to update their passwords. To enable password expiry for all the users of the domain setting has to be on. To do so, from the left pane, click the domain. If the password expiry for a domain is off, then the password expiry for all the users is disabled, irrespective of their individual settings. On password expiry, the user will not be able to log on to her or his Ideolve account and will have to use the forgot password link to reset the password. Now let's see how you can configure account lockout feature, which ensures that the hackers cannot find out a user's password by brute force. As you enable the account lockout feature on the domain, users' accounts will be automatically locked out when the number of unique invalid login attempts exceeds the given threshold in the specified interval. Click on Account Lockout dropdown. Enable Account Lockout feature for all the users of the domain here. If Auto Unlock account is on, then a locked account will be automatically unlocked after the period specified in the account lockout period here. Turning on the Show User Authentication Error message enables a user to see the reason why she cannot access her account. The max invalid password attempts is the number of invalid attempts after which the account will be locked out. This is the interval in seconds between subsequent attempts. Once the account lockout is enabled for the domain, you can see a user's account locked property to see which users have been automatically locked out. First, click Users from the left pane. Then, select a particular user and click here to see the account lockout properties set for that user. To remove the lock, set the value to off and save. To secure the login to the self-service portal and ensure that a human is using the interface, enable CAPTCHA on the login screen. To enable CAPTCHA, select Domain from the left pane. Click on the Customization drop-down and turn on this option. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ideolve.